Hello, all Africans. How are you? This is English for Africa, right? Coming to you from Ethiopia, World University. And this is your one, and Hailu as usual. Today I come up with a good brand new lesson for all fellow teachers, and that's going to be the art of public speech. So, the primary concern for many people is what they're gonna say. However, to your surprise, there are two things which are important you need to consider. How it's said and what your body is doing, what you are saying. So I'm going to focus on this point and give you a lesson for today. So until the video, try to stay tuned and watch the video until the end, because at the end of the video I'm going to give you a model speech concerning about the theoretical parts that I'm going to give you right now. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. So let's hit it! The art of public speech. The primary concern of most public speakers is, what am I going to say? However, how you say what you are going to say and what your body is doing while you are saying it are just as important. Hello once again, I'm Zenebe Hailu, and I'm here today to share with you the three elements of successful public speech that you need to master as a teacher and public speaker in seminars, workshops, or research presentations. So there are three elements to any face-to-face communication. These are first words, and then tone or quality of your voice, and lastly body language. These three elements are there in any kind of communication. Public speech is not different from this. So I'll start with a biggest question that you need to answer. So what can you think about this question? From the above three elements of communication, how much percent do words count for in transmitting the message being spoken? What do you think? Well, this is what researchers have found out. Among these three elements, 55% accounts for body language, and your tone or quality of your voice counts for 38%. And words, to your surprise, only get 7%. So we are influenced by the above three elements as follows. That means 7% of our influence comes from the words we say, 38% from our tonal quality while saying it, and lastly 55% by what our body is doing while we are saying it. Having this in mind, let's start looking at them one by one. So here I'm going to tell you tips and tricks to use words wisely and professionally, because as I've said, that counts only 7%. So you need to use words wisely and professionally. When you say that, knowing that people only remember 7% of the words you say could lead to commitment to first, use a colorful, concise, and precise language. Tip 2, you need to use influential words like you and a story. If say why we need to use stories in public speech, you must incorporate storytelling into your presentation, as people remember stories longer and trust them more and repeat them more accurately than any kind of communication style. Okay, secondly, let's come to a tone or quality of your voice. I'm going to give you here tips and tricks to use your words like a lion, king of the jungle of words. Before that, let me give you one warning, that is, knowing that 38% of your impact comes from your tonal quality could lead to a commitment to never again saying, I'm happy to meet you, without actually sounding happy. Again, it might also ensure you never again say, thank you for being here today at the beginning of any presentation without actually sounding grateful. This is important. So if say how to master a line tone or voice, the first tip I'm going to give is your tonal quality must go with your emotions and the message that you are giving. Secondly, You need to use variety of tonal quality. For instance, you may use higher pitch, lower. Sometimes you may pause or middle pitch that you can use. So you need to vary the tone of your voice to attain your audience interest. Tip 3. Speak from your diaphragms. This is because you need to use audible and clear voice throughout your presentation, and that is achieved through using your sound which comes from your diaphragms. So the trick that I'm going to give you here is many of us are not speaking from our diaphragms, leading to high-pitched sound nasal tones. So it's easy, you can check it. Put your hands or heavy book on your abdomen and then check whether your diaphragms are moving up and down. If not, that means you are one of the guys who have got nasal tones or higher pitch. So through practicing, it's easy to use your diaphragms for speaking with good quality of voice. Third, let me come to your body language, which accounts for 55%. So let me give you tips and tricks to let your body speak better than your mouth. That is important. So you need to think your body as your greater weapon of communication. And if that is true, knowing that 55% of your impact comes from what your body is doing while you are speaking correctly you're coming out from behind the podium whenever possible, as the more we can see of you, the more we trust you. Secondly, you might also commit to training yourself to stand in a neutral with your feet side by side and your hands by your side. So not only does this convey absolute ease, it allows you to step or gesture in any direction based on the needs of your presentation. So think of your body like the tree that you can see behind on the screen. So the root is your body and the leaves are the waters. Without the body, it's not easy to survive for the trees. Similarly, what we do is in communication similar. So you need to use proper nonverbal or body language to supplement your speech. So always you need to remember to use the following 6 things appropriately. Let's see them one by one. First, posture. Keep a good posture, stand straight with shoulders back, relaxed and feet shoulder width apart. Do not cross your arms, put your hands in your pocket. Secondly, you need to have a balanced stand and movement. Firstly, start and finish at the center of the stage. And again, animate the presentation with physical movement. Take a step or two to one side after you have been talking for a minute or so. If you ask why we do this, this type of movement is the most effective at transitional points in your presentation between major topics or after pauses or emphasis. So at this stage you can do a little bit of movement. The biggest one, gestures. Gestures both animate your presentation and help communicate your message. Most of your messages are delivered via body language, no words. So keep one hand free and use that hand to gesture. Eye contact. It helps you to hold your listeners' attention and gives you important visual cues that let you know how your message is being received. So try to maintain an eye contact with every direction and with every part of the audience in the auditorium or hall. Lastly, confidence. If you have done all of this, confidence is easy to come. Anyways, practice in speaking before an audience will tend to remove all fear of audiences, just as practice in swimming will lead to confidence and facility in the water. Now I'm going to give you a model presentation, and it's going to be the way children act may reflect the way they were raised up by their families. So I'm going to start my speech with a story. Just stay tuned. I'll just practically show you how it can be easily done. So right now I'm going to tell you a story, and I'm going to show you how you can encompass the 3 parts that I've discussed so far. So let me give you a model speech so you can understand the art of public speech that we have discussed so far. So just I'm going to imitate, there are students around here, so I choose my background so that you can have a good view. So it doesn't mean I'm giving my back to the audience, so think like that. So let's continue. እንግዲህ ሙሉውን ነገር እዚህ ጋር ተራርጌ ነው ማሳያችሁ ማለት ነው። አንዲት ስቶሪ ይዣለሁ። የልጅ አስተዳደግ ማንነቱን ይወስናል የሚለው ላይ ነው ፎከስ የምናደርገው። ታሪኩ በጣም የሚጣፍጥ ነው ታሪኩ። ስለዚህ ኦዲየንስ የከፍለት አለባችሁ አስቡና ከዛ በኋላ አብረን የምናካሄደው ነገር እናያለን። ቀጥታ ወደ ስቶሪ። So I'm going to read the story for you. Center of stage እዚህ ነው። እኩል ለሚትን ቀጥ ብለን እንቆማለን like this. So we're going to start our speech. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to tell you how the way children were raised is reflected by the action they do. So families and the parents are responsible for the behavior of their children. This story I'm going to tell you will give you a life lesson, I hope. The story says the robber and the king. There was once a robber who roamed about the countryside. He caught and killed travelers. The king, having heard this, sent out soldiers to fight this robber. They brought him in chains to the king, who sentenced him to death. As they took him to the place where he was to be beheaded, the old father of this robber followed him. When the robber saw his father, he asked him to speak to him before he died. Once he got closer to his father, he tried to kill him, but could not, as his hands were tied. So he tried to bite him. All the people around him shouted, "Really? This bandit deserves to die. He even tried to kill his own father." But the robber said, "It's not me who deserves to death, but my father. When I began stealing corn and grain in my childhood, he praised me instead of punishing me. For this reason, I become a bandit, and so I reach the hour of my death. Had my father punished me at the right time, I would not have to come to this end." Having said this, he was beheaded. But all those who have children understood the seriousness of the matter. Thank you. This is my story. I hope from this story you have learned how the way you raise up your children will affect their life tomorrow and in the future. Thank you very much.
So I think you have loved how I presented my public speech, and if you need the script of the story, here is the script. You can have it, and this will take us to the end of our today's video. I would like to thank you for staying with me attentively, and if you do have any question, don't forget to write it under my comment section. If you love this video, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos if you are new around. Until see you next week. Bye bye for now. See ya.